Ano? Wait lang, talay ba ko ano yun?
Hindi lang ako makakalabas. Wala.
Today, bili muna doon. Hindi naman.
Dali, ikaw na.
Ikaw na, Jesper. Ano ka ga? Ay, kahit naga.
Kaya ka na nga.
Kaya nga lakad na doon, bili. Wait lang. Ano bang gusto niyong kanta? Ano yung favorite ko?
Isang tali ng sitaw.
Ano yung favorite ko, guys? Kantahin. Kay Taylor Swift yun. Yun. Hindi, ano nga yun?
Yung haba na ano.
Tapos limang halong.
Ha?
Sir Ambit. Ay, hindi yun. But here today, still not for sure when I'm going to say. Ayun, Romeo. Romeo, take me somewhere. Ano yung una nun? We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and I felt standing there. And the back of me is somewhere else. See the light, see the baggage. And my daddy said, stay away. No, hindi ko talaga guys ano. From Juliet, and I was staircase begging you, please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere. I keep waiting, boy, but you never come. Stays in my head, I don't know what to thinking. Now to the ground and pull out a ring and said, guys, di talaga ako marunong kumanta. I don't know how to sing. Call in the bedroom, romance.
Ano gawin ko na to? Inyak.
Ba, anong bibilin mo? Hi, guys, lahat na nagpa-follow sa akin, pa-follow ba ko kayo? Hi guys, hi sa 200 viewers ko. Wow, first time ko dumami yung viewers ko ha. Mag-send na kayo guys ng beans. Ano ba yan? Charis. Nanghingi ng beans. Ang OA naman ito. Ang dami guys nag-PPM ha. Know what to thinking, left to the ground and...
Pagbalik na lang mo yung sakit.
Sige. Pull out a ring and said, andang magbubulda ka?
Hindi ako makaano ng alam mo.
Hi love, hello po.
Ate ako magbubuldak.
Romeo, take me somewhere we could be alone. I keep waiting, boy, but you never come. Try natin mag-accept. Ala, na-accept silang dalawa. Ano ba yung napindot ko? Wait lang, paano ba sila i-end live? Yes. Yes, wait lang. Hi, Andrew.
Hindi na lang dito.
Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine. Where are you from? Hi, hello, Sinti. Where?
In Papua New Guinea. And where are you?
I'm from Philippines.
Oh, nice.